Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to do a recording about Kodular Radio Online. And now let me show you the Kodular screen. Okay, so this is the Kodular screen in Radio Online page. So the first is I make a loading screen. In here I put the loading animation, clock loading, uh, and then I use clock one components to make it so that if the clock timer already went out, it went into the home screen page. So later I will show you how it works. And now I'm gonna show you the home screen page in here. Okay, so this is the home screen. For right now, I just have Surah Al-Fatihah, and in here there is a button. So how this works? Here, look at this in blocks. So if we click the block page, the Al-Fatihah, the Al-Fatihah button, it will direct you into the Morotal page. Now, and I'm gonna tell you all of the component works. So this vertical arrangement to put all of the component from up to down. This horizontal arrangement in here to put all the component from right to left. This label to put a text. This space to put a space between the horizontal arrangement and the image card view in here. This the card view. So this the card view to put an image of the Al-Quran. This is the Al-Quran image. This is the Al-Fatihah button, and this is the space to make a space between the button and the below. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the Murotal screen. So this is there is very much Murotal that I need to tell. So first is this vertical arrangement, like I say, to put all the components from up to down. This horizontal arrangement to put the component from right to left. And there is the image one of the Quran PNG. And this is Murotal to put the this is label to put the Murotal text. This is space to put to put a space between the label and the user icon in here. This is the space again to put between the horizontal arrangement into the card name to the card view, and this card view to put an image of the Quran, and this is space again to put space between the card view and then the between the label of the Al-Fatihah. This is Al-Fatihah, and this is the meanings pembukaan, and this is a space to put a space between the uh, to put the space between the label and the slider. This is the slider to like we used to forward or make it slower, I think. And this is there is a horizontal arrangement. First there is a label. This is a time of the surat al-fatihah, and now there is a space between to make a space between the text 000 between and the 02.35. This label too, and this space to make a space between the uh what to say horizontal arrangement and the horizontal arrangement in the below. So now let me change the preview first. Okay, first there is a repeat. We need so this words to make a repeat of the sound. Now this pause to make a pause if the sound started, this to start the sound, this to stop the sound. So the difference between stop and pause is if the sound already started, it will just stop in there. If we click the stop button, uh, it will restart in to the start. This is shuffle to shuffle the moratal of the surah, but unfortunately this can work because I only have one surah, and this is a space to make a space between the horizontal arrangement button, between the horizontal arrangement surah and others. This is a pause, like I said, to pause the surah. This is to skip next or skip the surah into the next surah. This is a space to make a space between the pause button and then the label. This is a label for Surat Al-Fatihah, and this is the label for the sheikh that uh, the sheikh that recite this surah. This is a space to make a space between the label and then the image of the Quran. This is a home to direct you into the home screen. It's a space to make a space between the search button and the home page. This is a space between to make a space between the download page into the space and into the search button. This is a space to make a space between the user button to the download button. Okay, and now direct you. I'm gonna show you how it works in the phone. But first, I'm gonna connect it to my phone first. Wait, let me connect. Okay, so this already work, yeah. And now I'm gonna go to controller companion. I'm gonna connect the companion first in here, like this. Out. I'm gonna scan QR code like this. Wait, if this is loading first. This wait. Yes. Wait, it's loading. I'm gonna pause first. Wait. Okay, so this already work, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna show you this, and then I'm gonna go to screen one. Look at this. Now it's gonna loading. So, nah, and then this direct you into the home screen. And then, like I say, if I click the Al-Fatihah button, it will direct you into the Murotal. And then this, unfortunately, this image, Quran image, still not working, and this user too. And the one that working is only pause, play, pause, play, stop, pause, home screen, and download. Okay, so now I'm gonna play it. This,
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان
and then if I pause it, it will look like
الرجيم
this.
بسم
Then I play again,
الله الرحمن
and now I'm gonna stop.
الرحيم
If stop,
الحمد
it's gonna look like
لله
this.
رب
And when I play again,
أعوذ
it will start
بالله
from the start. Yes, again, yeah. And now I will play again.
من
I will click
الشيطان
this pause button again.
الرجيم
It's working, yeah. Now I'm gonna stop this
بسم
button, and then I'm gonna go to home screen. This, so it will direct you to the home screen again. And now I'm gonna click the Al-Fatihah button again. Now I'm gonna download the Murotal, the surah. So click this. This surah is downloading, and in here there is surah 2.mp3 download complete. So this, and you choose the app that you want to open with, and I'm gonna open with YouTube Music. So just click just once, and
أعوذ
then this will play.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Yeah, like that. And maybe that's for me. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.